Good afternoon. It's January the 25th, 2017. Time to recap another day of trading. This is crude. We saw crude in a trading range, and we're going to await the inventory report or news right here. And then we were going to trade that, especially if it was negative news and we took out the news bars high. Very, very quiet trading. We didn't even have 40 ticks of range before the news hit. So monkey trade, good for a dime. Another monkey trade, good for a dime. This monkey trade was a scratch. We stopped right in here because of the news. This monkey trade was good for 50 ticks after the news, if you traded it perfectly. Retest failure, good for 30 ticks if you traded it perfectly. Another retest failure trade, good for 10 if you traded it perfectly. This monkey trade retest failure was a scratch. This monkey trade right here was good for 10. This monkey trade took forever to get a dime out of it. We didn't stop out. This monkey trade to the long side was a scratch, and the last trade of the day was this monkey trade right there that was good for 40 ticks. 11 trades possible. Now listen, crude oil is so volatile. You easily make a dime on almost every one of our trades. Not too hard to make 20 to 30 ticks. Sometimes there's 50 to 100. You just don't know what it's going to be because the contract is so volatile. So if you take the approach to the market, I'm just going to take a dime on every trade. If you just took a dime on every trade, there's 80 ticks or $800 for you. If you did trade it perfectly, there was $1,700 for you. Now, nobody can trade it perfectly, but it would certainly be higher than taking a dime on every trade. So it's a great contract for beginners. It can put a lot of money in the account quickly. It's got a lot of its personality. It looks like it's specifically designed for beginning traders. Hey, we're going to offer new traders 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and the E-mini. Those 5 free days, you can see me, the software and methodology, work live, real time. You should get all the answers you need to know about whether our service is right for you or not. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.